Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, is renowned for its wide range of health and beauty benefits. Here's a detailed overview of the main benefits of castor oil. 1. Hair growth benefits. Castor oil is often used to enhance hair growth and improve overall hair health due to its rich content of ricinoleic acid and other nourishing nutrients. Ricinoleic acid helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which stimulates hair follicles and promotes the growth of new hair. The moisturizing properties of castor oil help to condition and strengthen the hair, reducing breakage and split ends. It also helps to maintain scalp health by balancing oil production and preventing dryness and dandruff. To use castor oil for hair growth, apply it directly to the scalp and massage it in. Then distribute it through the lengths of the hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing it out with shampoo. Regular use can lead to thicker, stronger, and healthier hair. 2. Eye health benefits. Castor oil can be really good for your eyes. Since it's so slippery, it makes your eyes nice and lubricated, which is great if they're dry or irritated from staring at a screen too long. And just a couple drops of castor oil can provide a protective layer of moisture over your eyes, helping with redness and inflammation too. You got to be careful and get the good stuff though. Make sure you find castor oil that's pure and good enough to put right on your eyes. Now, if you're not sure, check with your eye doctor on the best way to use it. They'll tell you how much castor oil you should use and how often. Using castor oil for your eyes is pretty simple and helps keep them feeling fresh. And who doesn't want happy, hydrated eyes that aren't strained and red? A little castor oil can go a long way. 3. Skin moisturization. Castor oil can be really good for moisturizing skin. It's got a bunch of ricinoleic acid, which acts like a sponge for moisture, sucking it into your skin from the air and trapping it there so your skin stays hydrated. That's why it's so popular for healing up dry, flaky areas and skin conditions like eczema that need extra moisture. And when you smooth castor oil onto your skin, it makes a nice protective layer that keeps water from escaping. Your skin stays soft and supple instead of getting all tight and rough. The oil also has these conditioning properties to make skin feel smoother, more flexible, and healthier looking overall. So if you struggle with dry skin, castor oil can definitely help bring back that nice glow. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil can really help with inflammation. That's mostly because of one of its main ingredients, ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid stops your cells from making as many pro-inflammatory cytokines. Those are molecules that get your body all inflamed. When you put castor oil right on your skin, it can reduce swelling and pain from stuff like arthritis, sore muscles, or bad joints, and the oil is soothing, so it chills out irritated or puffy areas. This gives you some relief from stiffness and discomfort. Castor oil being anti-inflammatory also makes it good for skin issues like eczema or psoriasis, where inflammation is the main problem. It calms inflammation down so your skin can heal up better and get healthier. 5. Wound healing. Castor oil is effective in promoting wound healing due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil creates a protective barrier over wounds, which helps prevent infection and accelerates the healing process. Its antimicrobial properties inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi, reducing the risk of wound infections. Additionally, castor oil's anti-inflammatory effects help to soothe the area, reducing redness and swelling. This can facilitate faster and more effective healing of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Applying castor oil to wounds can also keep the area moist, which is crucial for tissue regeneration and preventing scarring. 6. Antifungal properties. Castor oil can actually help fight fungal infections. That's because it's got this compound, ricinoleic acid, that messes with fungi's cell membranes. So it stops the infection spreading and the fungi growing. You can use castor oil for stuff like athlete's foot, ringworm, jock itch, fungus things on your skin. Just put some on the rash or whatever, and it makes it harder for the fungus to keep growing there. Takes down the itch and redness too. To try it, Put a thin coat of castor oil on the fungus patch. Bandage over it if you need to. Keep using it regular. It'll help kick the infection and calm the skin down. 7. Constipation relief. Castor oil can help with constipation by making you poop more easily. It has stuff in it called ricinoleic acid that makes your intestines contract to move food and poop along faster. When you swallow castor oil, it gets your digestive system working harder. More juices, more lubrication, and this softens and loosens up whatever is stuck inside so it can come out smoothly. To use it, just drink a little bit mixed with some juice so you don't taste how nasty it is. The small amount will still get things moving down there within a few hours usually. It's pretty powerful laxative. Lots of folks swear by it to relieve constipation and clear out blocked up systems. 8. Acne treatment. Castor oil can help with acne because it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The ricinoleic acid in it helps calm down the redness and swelling that comes with acne. It also fights the bacteria that causes acne in the first place. The oil is moisturizing too, which keeps your skin hydrated without clogging pores. This is important since some other acne medications can dry out your skin. By locking in moisture and lowering inflammation, castor oil can help clear up breakouts and make your skin look better overall. And to use it, just dab a little bit on any pimples before you go to sleep and leave it on overnight. 9. Scar reduction. Castor oil can help make scars less noticeable. It's got a bunch of good stuff in it, like ricinoleic acid, that helps skin heal itself. The ricinoleic acid boosts collagen, which is important for fixing injured skin. By making skin more flexible and smooth, castor oil sort of hides scars. It also hydrates skin really well, which prevents scars from getting too thick. You just gently rub a little castor oil right on the scar and massage it in nice and easy. The skin will soak it up and start working its magic. Over time, the scar should fade and blend in more with the skin around it. Results will vary from person to person, though. Patience and consistency are key when using natural stuff like this, but it's definitely worth a shot before resorting to other more intense or expensive scar treatments. 10. Menstrual pain relief. Castor oil can totally help with that awful menstrual pain. You know how it feels, those nasty cramps and stuff that make you want to curl up with a heating pad. Well, castor oil actually helps calm all that down. It's got something called ricinoleic acid that fights inflammation and eases the pain. I guess it messes with those prostaglandin chemicals that cause the cramps, and so it kind of soothes everything out and chills those raging uterine muscles. Just soak a washcloth in some warm castor oil and lay that baby on your lower belly. Put a heating pad or something warm on top. The heat plus the oil going to relax everything and get that blood flowing better. No more ouch. You can just chill with your castor oil pack and ride out your period in peace. So if cramps got you down, grab that bottle of castor oil out of the medicine cabinet and give it a shot. It's nature's own painkiller without any weird chemicals or side effects. 11. Joint pain relief. Castor oil can really help with joint pain. It has some special ingredients that bring down swelling and make your joints stop aching as much. When you rub the oil right onto the parts of your body that have arthritis or just feel real stiff and sore, it can warm them up and loosen things up. I tried using some castor oil when my knees were hurting bad from running. I put some drops on there and massaged it all over my knees at night before bed. The next day, I could bend my knees without them catching or feeling so creaky, and it was nice to move around without pain again. I think the oil helped relax my muscles and joints. So if your joints are swollen or tender, get some castor oil and gently rub it into the painful spots. The warmth and massage can reduce inflammation while the ingredients work their magic. It won't cure bad arthritis or anything, but it can definitely take the edge off joint discomfort. 12. Nail health. Castor oil can be great for helping your nails look healthy because it has lots of nourishing stuff in it. The oil is packed with fatty acids that nails love, especially one called ricinoleic acid. These fatty things nourish nails and cuticles deeply, helping them be less brittle and snappy. And if you gently rub some castor oil onto your nails and cuticles regularly, it gives them a dose of moisture. This can lead to faster growing nails that tend to stay strong. The oil puts moisture back into dry splitting nails and cuticles. It's like a conditioner for your nails. You just need a tiny bit of castor oil to massage into nails and cuticles. Do this routinely, and your nails may reward you by growing quicker and not splitting as much. It's an easy home treatment to try. 13. Lip care benefits. Castor oil works wonders for dry, chapped lips thanks to its ultra-moisturizing properties. With a high level of fatty acids that nourish lips, this oil makes lips feel soft and smooth in no time. It helps form a protective layer over lips that seals in moisture. So when the wind blows or weather turns cold and dry, lips stay nice and hydrated. To use it, just dab a bit of castor oil on lips whenever they feel dry and use a clean fingertip or cotton swab. It may seem thick, but it absorbs fast, leaving lips with a dewy sheen. Within a few minutes of applying it, lips look revived. No more flaky skin or painful cracks. And unlike petroleum-based balms, castor oil actually heals irritation instead of just glossing over the problem. Lips regain their supple texture thanks to the skin conditioning nature of this simple, all-natural remedy.